All right, so let's see what we got over here. Come on out. All right, so we got a brand new, how do I say this? Jeep. And it's not a Tesla this time, it's actually a 4xe hybrid, and it's a Wrangler that you see over there. So we actually got it from Carvana. Hey, how's it going? Gee.
So have you ever done anything through Carvana before?
This is our first time.
All right, well,
Yeah.
it's a real simple process.
Yeah, I saw that.
Stuff online already.
Looks pretty clean. This is my first non-electric car in 7 years.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. It's gonna be different though, because I haven't went to a gas station in like almost 10 years. But this is a hybrid, so at least I don't have to go that much. Yeah. It's super clean. The only complaint that I have is freaking tire shine. It's all over the thing. Look at that thing. I hate tire shine. And if you're gonna use a water version, not like so oil based, you know. They even tire shine the back one. Why? No, I get it. But you know, as they're unloading this, one of the things that we went with Carvana was like, this is not an advertisement for them, but you know, when you've bought a Tesla, you know, well, we bought more than 10 in the last few years, you're just so used to doing everything online and just kind of being really easy. We went to several dealerships to get the car, and I just hated the whole experience of going back and forth, texting and all that, and I just wanted to, you know, get a car for a good price, and that's what they did, so that's kind of why we went with them. And it's easy. I mean, literally, this is crazy. This is like, I'm absolutely impressed with this because I ordered yesterday, it came today. To be fair, it was at Union City, Georgia, so it's not that far, but still, this is still impressive that they can operate that fast, and as the operations, like I love operations, like this is like nuts in my opinion. So as far as the specs here, this is a 4xe, so that's their hybrid version. I know a lot of people are gonna make fun of me because this only has like 20 or 30 miles of range. Hey, but it's still a hybrid. They do not have an electric version, but Wrangler should totally make an electric version, to be honest. But this one is a hardtop version. I wanted the hardtop particular because we're gonna make some stuff for it too. And then this one is a Sport S, but a little bit more upgraded Sport S. So it has a couple more of the upgrades like the wheels and, you know, painted trims. The side fender flares, those are painted as well. And a couple other, you know, add-ons and stuff, but pretty stoked, honestly. It's different because it's such a different feeling because this is like our first non-Tesla in so long. We also have the new model standard Y coming as well. But yeah, this is gonna be fun though. I mean, I can't wait to take it out to Prentice Cooper and a couple areas in around Chattanooga and do some off-roading. One of our employees also has a Jeep, so we're going to be off-road buddies now. But it's like honestly, that's super clean. I'm shocked of how clean it is. So this is my first Carvana purchase.
Yes,
What's after this?
So at this point, what you'll do is you'll look over the vehicle and just make sure everything's to your liking. You are free to take it for a test drive, but you don't need to feel too pressured.
We'll
have a 7-day test week during
Right.
But otherwise, if you're feeling happy with it, I'll go ahead and get the paperwork ready.
Awesome.
Otherwise, just take your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, so first look, this is the JL. So I've been learning a lot more about Jeep. So the JL is the most current version that's out right now. The previous one's called JK, so it's actually quite easy. Couple things that I love about it, and Teslas have their own Easter eggs, but Jeeps also have a lot. They're like the first ones to really do Easter eggs. So like even like the headlights right there has a little Jeep. If you look at the side of this, it also has like the Jeep little thing. This is like the original Jeep, and it has a, you know, the military, right, use a lot of Jeeps in the combatant field. So the biggest difference from the JK, oh, big wasp. The biggest one is that the grille is slightly different. So it goes into like this, whereas the previous one, when we're doing the PPF stuff, we actually just finished a JK version. Actually, sorry, this happened, sorry, the JL, let me just get that right. The 2023 version has a different grille. So this grille upgrade that you see right here was a 24. So that's what we wanted. We wanted a 24. But what's really cool about all this is, you know, you can basically move all this out. And then there's a little clip. And then let's go ahead and put that out. Everything looks pretty clean. You know what I'm missing? Is a frunk. Don't have a frunk on this bad boy. So everything looks good. This is so weird. So this is the J1772 right there. It goes in right there. Let's just go ahead. Oh, whoa, it had that. Did you see this?
Oh, no.
That's a really cool board. So let's go ahead and, all right. Smells new, feels good, man. It's kind of cool. So this is actually an upgrade. It looks like an aftermarket one, but it's an automatic stepper, which is actually quite nice because I have a 4-year-old. But man, overall, this is great. So the biggest difference is 4xe, is that badge, and then that little charge port right there on the side. But the other side is exactly the same. So whenever I design, it's gonna be the same. You got your fuel can right here as well. It still has gas. Gonna be a big difference. But you know what's cool is now I can just take all this out and I can drive topless. So that sounds weird saying that. I can drive topless. But yeah, everything looks good. Honestly, I don't really see any issues with it. There's actually, oh, okay. For trailer light, that's cool. I got the charger right here as well. Man, Carvana did such a great job. They did such a good job even like providing the charger, a couple accessories as well that comes with this. That's cool. And then that's for the custom trailer wiring harness. Of course, it also has a hitch right here, which is really nice. And again, this is a backup camera right here. Pretty self-explanatory, a couple sensors.
Is the 4xe always blue? Like blue?
So the blue is actually for the EVs. Sorry, the hybrid. So the Jeeps don't necessarily have that blue accents. But I'm gonna go talk to the Carvana guys so they can go on their way. I mean, this is great. I don't really see any issues. So Carvana has figured something out. I think they're trying to be as easy as a Tesla, to be honest. All right, watch his speed. I'm just kidding. That's not, I'm in a neighborhood, I'm not gonna do that. So look at this too, that's kind of fun. So this is my first Jeep ever. And right now, I'm trying to figure out am I on electric or am I on gas? I don't know. You hear that sound? That's a motor. It's just so different hearing, look at that. Hopefully you can get that in this. Guys, I'm going 30 miles an hour and it's making sounds. I'm so used to it going like no sound at all, and we're going like 0 to 60 in like 2 seconds or something. Maybe not 2, but like still fast. I just wanted to take it for a spin. So right off the bat, you know, I want to be frank with you. We have been working on a Jeep for a while, actually. We haven't owned it until obviously this video, but we've had some friends that lended us their Jeeps and Wranglers. And, you know, actually one of the funny thing is, we've been also interviewing or just talking to our customers that we currently have, and we did a survey, and a lot of them actually had a Tesla, and a lot of them also said they have a Jeep. And I think part of it is, like, Tesla is their daily driver. It's a perfect daily driver, I think. I mean, it's cheap, it's electric. But when they think about a fun vehicle, of course, Cybertruck can be another one, but it's not as, cheap as a Jeep, right? I mean, Jeeps also aren't that cheap anymore. But Cybertrucks back then was 70, 80, 90K. These ones you can pick up for a lot cheaper than that. So I think this is like their fun vehicle, and it's also like this nostalgia. Like, this has a pretty good American history behind it with the Willys and, historical context to the war and all that stuff. And what's cool is, like, all of this right up here, right? This is a hardtop. We can remove this. So I've been learning how to remove this. I don't know if I know how to do that yet. But you can remove the doors. You can remove the top. And you can also remove the back top, right? So this is called a hard top over there, the black. But there's also a soft top that a lot of people use as well. So, I mean, it's just kind of really fun kind of learning about it. You know what I really need to get used to is dials. I haven't used a dial in like years. But I think that's the thing that people like about the Jeep even more, is that it's so analog, and some people just like the analog aspect to it, right? Like, this is the windows right here down the center. That's kind of cool, actually. Honestly, it drives fantastic. Yeah.
You got a lot of buttons on the steering wheel too.
Yeah, I mean, I'm assuming this is like auto. No, it's not autopilot. It's just cruise control, right? So standard cruise control, and then you got this is cruise control related. That icon is iconic to all cars, I think. And then this is a distance forward. Look at this. This is such a drastic difference from Tesla to this. So this is gonna be fun, kind of learning this car a little bit more. And then of course, now you have manual vents. So there is a hybrid mode and electric mode. I found the button. Oh, okay, I can't use electric mode.
Why not?
I don't think I have enough charge. But I mean, I think this is a good fun first drive. We had to kind of feel the car. There's a Carvana crew. I mean, shout out to them, man. They did stellar. I mean, they were supposed to come between 2 and 5, and who does that? They came at 2. Actually, earlier than 2. I think they came like 150, right? So, I mean, that's pretty crazy. Funny story, when I totaled my Model Y, a couple years ago, I had like a ICE car for a little bit. And I was so used to a Tesla, one time I left the car running for like 2 hours because I forgot to actually push this engine. Just wasting gas. So this time, hopefully not going to do that. That's pretty much it, guys. Very, very happy. Thank you, Carvana, for being so fast. This video is not sponsored by Carvana, but when they do something right, when a company does something really, really good, I think we gotta talk about it. So thank you guys for bringing it on time and actually early. Very happy with the Jeep purchase. We're gonna have a lot of fun in this vehicle along with our Teslas. We still have it. We're not getting rid of it, but we're gonna have a lot of content, and we're gonna have a lot of content other than Teslas, and we're gonna have it in our channel, which we're gonna talk about in a little bit. So we'll see you later.